Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Olight Seeker 4 Pro flashlight. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide, a holster which is also used as a charging dock, a wall mount, mounting screws, the charging cable, and user manual. Going over some specs, this has a max output of 4600 lumens, a beam distance of 260 meters. The modes are Moonlight, Low, Medium, High, and Turbo. Runtime can range from 15 days to 45 minutes depending on the mode. It has a 5000 mAh 3.6 volt battery, IPX8 rating, color temperature of 5700K to 7000K. It also comes in multiple colors to choose from. Looking at the flashlight, I have the matte black and also the silver plated bronze. The matte black is light and compact in size, and you can see here for reference. It has an aluminum body and a rubberized grip all around. You can see the branding on the side. On the left side, you have the brightness setting with LEDs, and on the right side, you have the battery charge indicator. You have the dial on the top along with the button to adjust the brightness and the power. And you can see the LED bulbs on the front. The back is magnetic and also has a charging surface. It comes with this holster which also charges a flashlight. You have the USB-C charge port on the side. And here you can see the 5000 mAh battery. Next up is the silver bronze. This one is a bit heavier and feels very solid. It's made of bronze and plated in silver, and it has a stone wash finish. The overall finish makes it 3 times harder than copper and brass. You have the branding, the grip just like the matte black. This one is limited edition with only 6,000 being made. And here they are side by side. Taking some measurements, the overall length is just a little over 5 inches long. The matte black weighs in at 206 grams, and the silver bronze comes in at roughly 349 grams. Turning the flashlight on, you can turn the dial to adjust the brightness setting, and you can see the overall charge as well on the bottom. Press the button once to turn it on, and you can then toggle the dial again for the brightness. You can see here going from the lowest to the highest setting. By double pressing the button, it will toggle it from the current setting and then to instant turbo setting, which is the brightest. Okay, let's see it in action outdoors. Okay, now this is on the low setting. And then I'm gonna just scroll the wheel here. And now that's on the bright setting. Dim it down to the low. It's off. And you can see me scrolling. The bright. Double click to the low, high, so there you have it. You can see that the flashlight has a wide beam pattern and it's very clean. Very impressive in my opinion. That's a look at the Olight Seeker 4 Pro flashlight. you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.